I copied this YouTuber you are seeing right here, and I was able to achieve this particular result. Now, I was able to get 43,000 views, as you can see right here. And not just that, I got 1.9k watch hours. That is almost 2,000 watch hours, half of the 4,000 watch hours requirement you are probably looking for. Not just that, I got 1,000 subscribers from this particular video alone. So I've achieved all my 1,000 subscribers you are probably looking for from just one single video. And all I did was to just copy. Now, before I show you how I did this, give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel. And the copying comes in two ways, okay? The first one, we are going to copy other people's content using our YouTube studio. There's a feature that we are going to use, okay? The second method is also about copying. However, for that one, it is not in our YouTube studio, okay? And that is what actually yielded this particular watch hours for me you are seeing here. Okay, but let's look at the first one, which is very important. That is the basics of everything. Okay, in order to do it, the first thing you need to do is to come to your YouTube studio. As you can see right now, I'm in my YouTube studio, and then in your YouTube studio you will come to this section here that says analytics, right? So we click on analytics, right? Once you click on analytics, you come to this section here that says audience. This one, right? So click on audience. Once you click on audience, you then scroll down, scroll a little bit down here. You are going to see channel your audience watches. You understand? And if you scroll another one again, you are going to see what your audience watch is. So channel your audience watches means is that you see the current people on your channel who are watching your videos, they are also watching these YouTubers you are seeing here, right? Let me click again. You are going to see there are lots of YouTubers here. So my current viewers are watching all these YouTubers here. You understand? And YouTube is telling me that, hey Prince, if you're a smart YouTuber, what do you have to do? If your audience are watching these guys here, then you need to also start creating the kind of content these guys here are also creating. And that is how you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours. You see, in order to get 4,000 watch hours, right, remember that you need views. You understand? It is views that will bring you the 4,000 watch hours. You can never get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube without getting views. Okay, so all these YouTubers you are seeing here are getting a lot of views on their channel, and your audience are watching them. So why don't you create the kind of videos those YouTubers are creating by just copying them? And I'll show you how to copy. Copying does not mean downloading someone's video. No, you can copy them by going to the next one, which is this. What your audience watches. So YouTube has automatically given you the kind of videos that are performing very well on your audience channel so that you can copy. So you look at the video you are interested in. Okay, so if I am to look for a video I'm interested in right now, I will go for this particular video. So all you have to do is I'm gonna click on this one, 11k views. All right, so in order to copy, you see, you will first of all have to watch the whole video. You understand, and then get a fair idea of what she's talking about, right? So I watch the whole video, have a fair idea. Even if I have a fair idea of what she's talking about, then then after creating the video, I'll just copy the same title. You understand? And then use it for my video. And for the thumbnail too, I can use a similar thumbnail. So you can see her thumbnail right here. You see the thumbnail is very nice and catchy. So I will just, recreate the same thumbnail. Don't use her thumbnail. Just recreate it. You can create a thumbnail that is very similar to what she has done. And that is it. Very, very simple. So try this multiple times. I can't even count. And it has worked for me. Let me say, if I try 10 times, 7 out of the 10 always work for me. So once you do this, trust me, you should get your 4,000 watch hours very easy. Now let's talk about the next method. So the next method is also the same as copying. Okay, so the next method to you also copy other people's content, use the same title, this similar thumbnail, and you're going to get your 4,000 watch hours. Now if you check my screen right now, you can see it here. So this is just one single video, and I got 4.2k watch hours. Right now, let me show you the time I posted this video. All right, so I posted this video on 28th June, right? And by 2nd July, which is just 5 days, I was able to get over 4,000 watch hours with just one single video. Let me also show you another evidence so that you know this method actually works. So when I come here, you can see that I also tried it on this channel as well. In fact, two different channels. For this one, I even got 5.2k watch hours, more than what I am even looking for. Now let me show you when I posted this video. I posted this video on just 4th July, and by 8th July 2026, I was having about 5,000 watch hours. That means just 4 days. However, for the for that method, I don't share it on YouTube because of the fear of people abusing it. So what I do is that if you want me to do it for you, I will do it for you, right? And it is not free. Okay, if you want me to do it for you, you check the link in the description, you make payment, and then I do it for you. You understand? And if you want me to show you so that you also do it yourself, and I've already designed a step-by-step course, a step-by-step tutorial for it. You understand? All you have to do is to just watch it step by step. You understand? And you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours within 7 to 21 days. It is, so if you're interested in that one too, you check the link in the description, you click it, you make payment, and you get access to the course automatically without even contact. You get it automatically. You understand? Yeah. Thanks for watching. And then if you have not watched this video right here, I want you to watch, and it's really going to help you. See you in my next video. Goodbye.